could have been a computer error, the discrepancies they're talking about?
Understand that this is just probable cause.
Okay.
The information that I had provided up until the time stuff was dumped on me today, okay, was that there was cash discrepancies of about $10,000. Obviously, that what was testified to at the end, I had never seen any of that documentation. I had never seen it. Now, all it was is that there are cash discrepancies in deposits that are 200 and something thousand, 300 and something $1,000, deposits that are focused around the end of the tax thing. So there's nothing. The bottom line is that the affidavit that was made was that $671,000 was being claimed because there were $671,000 worth of delinquency notices out where people had it. The court didn't buy that, even though he eventually ruled that he was just trebling the $200,000 that they had cobbled together. The issue is cash. Our position is, and my client's position has been, that she's not going to discuss the issues. You heard what she told the first selectman, and that's all I'm going to say about that. But our position today was on the issue of trying to find out what was their basis. We had asked for discovery as a month and a half ago. We had never gotten any of this stuff. So what they showed us today with no backup was somebody totaling up stuff. We have no idea if that's the case, and now we're going to be looking at what is your backup, and to see whether or not the batches and the deposits didn't jive. That's all it is. Nothing that they have any proof that she took it. And that's, now it goes to another level. So at this point, we will be addressing those issues.
So what's the next step? Is going
Well,
through...
the next step we have to address is the issue of the retirement accounts. I have no idea why the town is operating the way it's operating. I mean, these are retirement accounts. They're not attachable. They should be allowing her to take this money out, and she's not. I mean, and where they have to sign. If they didn't have to sign, that's no concern of the town. You know what I mean? But where they have to sign, that's they should be signing to authorize her to roll it over or do whatever she wants to do with it. Okay, and her step would be, would be to, those are retirement accounts. That's somewhat of a technical legal issue with respect to that. That's the next step. Beyond that, then we would be engaging in discovery, civil discovery, which will get a lot more detail as to what their backup is.
And that's going through those documents. They were saying the backup for those, the numbers they were giving you, going through the deposit slips and that sort of thing?
Right. I mean, I was handed about a 6-inch stack of documents today, most of which were just copies of canceled checks. What they were alleging there was that there were some discrepancies between batches and deposit tickets. Well, there was no backup for that. So I need to, obviously we need to take a look.
Okay.
Okay?
Other questions?